We're smaller, you know. Oh, nice job.
Is it harder to go down or up?
I think up.
Up is harder.
Yeah.
Down is just scarier.
Gravity gets you down.
What?
Gravity will get
Get
you
you
down.
down, yeah.
You can remember when you get back up this thing, stay out of where that trench over there, that ledge. Stay as far to the left as you can. Okay, turn.
Straight.
Hold what you got.
So just brake slow.
Yeah, just ooze it down. You can't go too slow here.
Behind you, let's switch places.
Nice. Perfect lineup. Okay, you're going to come to the rocks here. You landed. Nice job.
Glad I strapped the cooler in.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, now real easy coming off of this, otherwise you're straight. Good job. Almost.
Oh,
Great, got it.
there went our whole year.